Really goofball. Really goofball.
Chancellor.
You tried to grab the water. Well, I'm glad you like the fountain. It wasn't for you. It was really more just decoration. But I mean, if this is how you're gonna use it. Just rude. Really? You are such. Yo, this is the goofiest bird ever.